بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Today I am going to tell you about the phrase beside oneself. Meanings, synonyms and origin.
Beside oneself.
If you are beside yourself with anger or excitement, you are extremely angry or excited.
His widow was beside herself with grief.
Shama was beside herself when she found out she'd been rejected from her first choice school.
My friend was beside himself with joy, he'd won the sports award.
Beside yourself, with something. Unable to control yourself because of the strength of emotion you are feeling. He was beside himself with rage when he found out what she'd done.
Beside oneself phrase. Feeling overwhelming fear or worry. She was beside herself when her cat got out.
Synonyms for beside oneself. Agitated, delirious, distracted, distray, distraught, frantic, frenzied.
Origin. The first recorded use of the term is in the Old Testament, Acts 26:24, Paul, "Thou art beside thyself, much learning makes thee mad." The meaning of beside oneself in the verse is that Paul's anger has driven him to the point of madness. However, nowadays it describes a situation where a person is at an extreme mode of an emotion, such as happiness, sadness, madness or any other emotion.
If you have learned this idiom, then kindly like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon so you can easily be informed for the new incoming video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.